A train 300 meters long is running at a speed of 90 kilometer per hour. How many seconds will it take to cross a 200 meters long train running in opposite direction? Yes, there is a specific scenario that I have written for this one. See, this is train number 1, okay, which is moving in this direction at 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the length of this train? 300 meters. Now, how many seconds will it take to cross a 200 meters long train? There is another train which is 200 meters long train running in opposite direction. Okay, in opposite direction. This is train number 2. Now the question is that what time, how much time will this train 1 take to cross this train 2? So let me calculate the speeds first. 90 km per hour, that is 5 by 18, which is 18 5 is 25 meter per second, right? And what is V2? V2 is 60 km per hour, that is 5 by 18, which is 3 6 18, 2 20s 2 10s 2 3s, which is 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay, now what is the time taken by the first train to cross the second train? Now see, this train is moving in this direction, this train is moving in this direction, both of them are moving in opposite directions. When two things are moving in opposite direction, we need to calculate the relative speed. Okay, whenever two things are moving relative to each other, I need to calculate the relative speed. When two objects are opposite to each other, তখন relative speed কিভাবে calculate হয় অনন্যা? When two things are moving opposite to each other, how is the relative speed calculated?
স্যার এটা ভুলে গেছি, মনে পড়ছে না।
বাহ, খুব ভালো। When two objects are traveling opposite to each other, their relative speeds are additive. Their relative speeds are added. When two objects, remember this thing, when two objects are traveling opposite to each other, their relative speed or relative velocity, whatever you say, it is v1 plus v2. And when two objects are traveling in the same direction, the relative velocity or relative speed is v1 minus v2. Okay, this is how it is calculated.
V1
okay, so what is t1? T1 is the relative speed of these two is what? V1 plus V2, because they are traveling opposite to each other. Sorry, it will be distance at the top. So what will be the distance first? L1 plus L2, right? Because two objects have lengths now, divided by what is going to be the relative speed? V1 plus V2. Okay, so what are the two lengths? 300 plus 200 divided by the speed is 25 plus 50 by 3, and that is 500 divided by 75 plus 50 is 125. It's going to be how much? 25 5s 25 2s 5 4s, so that is 12 seconds. Okay, so how many seconds? This will be none of this. Opposite direction, none of this. Okay. See, so understood, a train 300 meters long is running at a speed of 90 km per hour. How many seconds will it take to cross a 200 meters long train running in opposite direction? So whenever you have opposite direction, you need to add the two speeds, okay, to find out the relative speed, and that is what I have done. And what is the total distance? L1 plus L2. Okay, because two lengthy objects are crossing each other, L1 plus L2. So the time is 12 seconds. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.